Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when Nano Banana tools don't appear in your Gemini app on Android. And this actually happened to me too. At first, Nano Banana was missing and even some other tools weren't showing up, but now I have figured it out and the fix is super simple. So stay until the end because I will walk you through step by step. First, real quick, Nano Banana is one of the coolest tools in Gemini. It lets you edit images, generate designs, and make creative content directly inside the Gemini app. Basically, it's the AI magic button. But sometimes when you open Gemini, the Nano Banana feature just doesn't show up. Or maybe some of the tools look incomplete. But don't worry, it's not a bug with your phone and you can fix it. Step 1. Make sure your Gemini app is fully updated. Just open Google Play Store like this and then just search for Gemini like this one. If there's an update button on here, just hit it right away. Many times the missing Nano Banana is simply because you're on an older versions of Gemini. And now here's the part most people miss. Gemini actually depends on the Google app on your phone. So if your Google app is outdated, Gemini won't run properly and Nano Banana might not appear. So go back to the Play Store and search for Google. This one, just check your Google app or even just you can check Google Chrome too. Just check all your Google app on your phone like this. And if there are an update button, just update the app too. And after updating both Gemini and Google apps, just restart your phone and then wait a few seconds, then open Gemini again. And in most cases, Gemini Nano Banana should now be there, and you might even see other missing tools reappear like this. But let's say it still doesn't show. One more thing that you can try is clearing the Gemini app data. Just go to settings, your phone settings, and then go to apps, and then search for Gemini, and then go to storage, and then just clear all data. And then just reopen Gemini and sign back into your account. That usually solves the issue completely. And okay, that's it. Now, Nano Banana should be working perfectly inside your Gemini app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!